Hi, my name is Dawn Kirkland with RE/MAX Advantage. Welcome to this beautiful home in the preserve right in the heart of Hoover. I want you to think a little bit about coming home to this home tonight after soccer practice or a long day at work. Come into this beautiful kitchen that's open to the den. Spend time going through the day with your family and just think about being here. Sit down at the table, hearing about your children's day. What a wonderful home to come home to. When it gets a little cooler, the covered back porch will be amazing that overlooks just such a fabulous backyard. When you go upstairs tonight, crawl in bed with your kids and read them stories. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2 Jack and Jill baths. It's great. And when you come back downstairs and have a little time with each other, what a great place to be. The master bedroom is on the main level. It's large. There's room for sitting area. Wonderful master bath. Relax in a bubble bath before you go to bed tonight. Or maybe you need to get some work done, and so you can go downstairs to the basement. Great space for an office down there. Several offices actually. So think about it. Think about being home. Thanks for coming by and imagining yourself in this beautiful home. Call me today. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.